Hello everyone, I'm Lucy. Today I'm making cloud slime. I hope you like this video. It's amazing. It's so drizzly and soft and pretty. Please subscribe to my channel and go visit my Etsy shop. It's called Purple Bird Perfumes. I have amazing slimes, all made to order. You can choose the color, the scent, and the texture. I hope you understand my English. I speak Portuguese. So, you will need 1 cup of white glue, and go visit my Etsy shop. It's called Purple Bird Perfumes. I have amazing slimes, all made to order. You can choose the color, the scent, and the texture. I hope you understand my English. I speak Portuguese. So, you will need 1 cup of white glue, I'm using Elmer's glue. It's the only glue I found that works. You add 2 pumps of lotion. Mix very well. 2 pumps of foaming soap. On another bowl, you will mix your fake snow. I'm using 1/4 of fake snow and 1 cup of water. Mix with your hands. Keep mixing. Until it expands. Now you add your activator. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of Borax and 1 cup of warm water until it dissolves very well. Mix until it starts forming. You want it a bit overactivated, because after you add this fake snow, it gets sticky. So yeah. Keep mixing it. I added lots of activator, but it will be fine because we need it to be overactivated. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notifications. And please like this video. I'll add a little bit of lotion because I added too much borax solution. There's always a way to save slime if it gets too hard. You just need to add a bit of warm water or baby oil. This is my first tutorial. It's not the best. I hope to get better with time. Thank you so much for my followers on Musical.ly. I'm Luna The Unidog on all socials. Thank you for my Cheez followers, my Like app followers, my Instagram followers. You guys make me so happy, all the likes and comments. And please leave a comment on this video, even to say you didn't like it. And please visit my Etsy shop. I sell slime on Etsy. Slime and perfumes. It's called Purple Bird Perfumes. I have a slime account on Instagram, Purple Bird Slimes, a perfume account, Purple Bird Perfumes, and my dog account, Luna The Unidog. It's getting a little bit better. Try to not overactivate it too much like I did. I need to use a smaller cup to make it. It's probably because I'm nervous making a YouTube video and talking. I'm super shy because I know my English is not the best and I'm always shy. Almost always. It depends on the mood or something. It's overactivated, but it will be fine after I add the snow. So I get my snow. And we start mixing it and massaging it to the slime. Mix it well. Keep adding the snow. I'm also in, it was called Hipster app, but now it's called Vigo Video. Please follow me there. Download that app because it's super cool. I love that music videos, those music videos, like Cheez, Like app. It's more fun than Instagram for me. Oh, and I'm also on Flipagram. I started on Flipagram. I hope you like my dog videos as well. She's super cute. See, it's getting better already. I'll keep mixing it. I love this consistency. See how it's working? Sometimes I heard it's difficult to make slime, but it's not. You just need a good recipe. It's working, see? Even if it was super overactivated, Look, it's getting all drizzly and soft. Don't forget to leave a comment. I'm moving it to another bowl. Kneading it. Knead. I don't know how to speak English. I work from home. I have that shop, so I'm not practicing my English. I always speak Portuguese at home. Okay, enough is no. Leave a comment with your favorite kind of slime. Now let's see if we can make it pretty. I won't add glitter this time. Let's see if the color turns out beautiful. I'll add a little bit of lube because the glitter just disappeared. I like the color blue for cloud slime. So that's it for today. I promise my next video will be better, or at least I hope so. Okay, bye now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video.